In this video, I'll show you how to remove a credit card from LinkedIn. If you want to delete a credit card from LinkedIn, the first thing to know is that LinkedIn only lets you manage payment methods from its billing area online. LinkedIn says payment information cannot be updated through the LinkedIn mobile app, so this is something you should do on a desktop browser or mobile browser instead. To begin, sign in to LinkedIn and open the billing area for your purchase. LinkedIn says that if you bought your subscription online, you can manage your cards from the Payment Methods section of the LinkedIn Admin Center. There, you can add, edit, delete, or change the payment method linked to your account. Once you are in Payment Methods, look for the credit card you want to remove. Click the More icon next to that card. Then choose Delete from the drop-down menu. After that, confirm the deletion in the pop-up window. LinkedIn says that is the normal process for deleting a stored payment method. Now here's the most important part. LinkedIn says you cannot delete a payment method if it is linked to an active recurring purchase. So if that card is currently being used for an active premium subscription or another recurring charge, you will first need to switch the subscription to another stored payment method or cancel the plan and wait until the end of the billing cycle before the card can be deleted. So if LinkedIn does not show a delete option, that usually means the card is still attached to an active subscription. In that case, add a new card first if needed, then apply that new card to your subscription. LinkedIn says after adding a new payment method, you can update the subscription so future charges go to the new card instead. And the updated card will show as active on the payment methods page. If your goal is to stop future charges completely, you may want to cancel LinkedIn Premium first. LinkedIn says members who purchased Premium directly from LinkedIn can open Premium features, choose Manage Subscription, and cancel from there. After cancellation, the payment method can be deleted once the billing cycle ends. One more thing to remember. If you bought LinkedIn Premium through Apple or another third-party billing system, the payment method may need to be managed through that outside platform rather than directly inside LinkedIn. This is an inference from LinkedIn's separate cancellation guidance for direct LinkedIn purchases versus App Store purchases. So again, to remove a credit card from LinkedIn, sign in on the web, go to the Payment Methods section in LinkedIn's billing area, click the More icon next to the card, and choose Delete. If the delete option is blocked, switch the subscription to another payment method or cancel the recurring plan first, then remove the card after the billing period ends. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.